My name's Jason Hensley, engineering manager at Orizon Aerostructures in Olathe, Kansas. In 2023, in our facility, we went back and looked at our processes and optimized all of our high runners. We reduced costs, increased our margins. Our quality is so much better than it was in 2022, all based off of innovation that we were able to get and implement in 2023. So TMAC has helped us solidify our process, making it more user-friendly, unattended machining, controlling our tool costs by keeping our tool wear noticed and monitored, and protecting our assets by preventing crashes, controlling the system to where it will speed or slow it down so we're not overworking the parts, overworking the machines, our spindles. In our plant, Tool Connect is used to take the operator opportunity for error out of the equation. It's all controlled from engineering, all the way down to the tool presetter, all the way to the control, all hands off, all automated.